the French National Center for Scientific Research. Senior scientist Vladimir Gavreau is an electrical engineer with a passion for robots. But an accidental discovery is about to take Gavreau's life in a new direction.
I need a break.
It begins when he and his assistant start suffering bouts of dizziness and nausea.
I've got a crushing headache.
You too?
Let's get some fresh air.
Yes.
Outside the lab, the symptoms instantly disappear. Back inside, they come and go without warning.
Henri, look at this. What is that?
Cafe?
No, look, the ripples.
Sorry. I don't feel so great.
It looks like an interference pattern. No ripples now.
The ripples seem to appear and to disappear along with the strange sickness.
Come on, you need to get outside.
But how can that be? They look like the ripples produced by sound waves.
Gavreau noticed one day while drinking his coffee that a pattern was occurring on the surface of the coffee inside the cup. And he thought to himself that the only way this could really happen is if there was some kind of sound energy occurring inside the room and actually causing that wave pattern to occur. And here we have a very nice way of illustrating this. This is an old Chinese bowl with two handles on it. I can put energy into this bowl by rubbing across the handles. You'll actually see a sound pattern and a waveform occur across the surface of this water. In fact, the more I rub this, the more that waveform occurs. So you can see that the energy of the sound occurring in here is actually causing a nice waveform across the surface of the water, the same way Gavreau noticed a pattern on the surface of his coffee cup. He knew there had to be some kind of sound effect in that room.